In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a Power BI pie chart, which is perfect for beginners looking to enhance their data visualization skills. Let's dive into the process, starting with opening up Power BI, which is our main tool for visualizing data in a structured and informative way. First things first, we'll need to open Power BI on your desktop. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so and launch the application. Once Power BI is open, you'll be greeted with a fresh and clean interface. This is your workspace, ready for you to transform raw data into meaningful insights. Next, it's time to import your data. In Power BI, this is a simple task. Look towards the top of your screen and find the Get Data button. Clicking this will allow you to choose from a myriad of data sources. Whether your data is in Excel, SQL Server, or an online service, select your source and proceed to load your data into Power BI. Importing accurately is crucial because it forms the backbone of your analysis. Make sure your data is clean and organized before importing to ensure smooth sailing ahead. With your data in place, the next step is to focus on your visualization pane, which is located on the right side of your Power BI interface. Here, you'll see a selection of different chart types. For our tutorial, we will zero in on the pie chart icon, a classic choice for depicting parts of a whole. Click on the pie chart to add it to your workspace. Immediately, a blank pie chart will appear on your canvas. Now that you have your pie chart set up, it's time to feed it some data. Drag and drop the relevant fields from your dataset into the values and legend boxes under the fields pane. The values section will represent the size of each slice of the pie, while the legend section will determine the labels for each slice. This creates a clear illustration of how your data is broken down. Customizing your pie chart is all about making it as readable and informative as possible. Take advantage of Power BI's formatting tools to adjust colors, labels, and other aesthetic choices. Access these tools by clicking on the paint roller icon under the visualization pane. Here, you can tweak your pie chart's appearance to match your report's color scheme or highlight specific elements. Altering colors and label positions can significantly enhance the comprehensibility of your chart. Finally, give your chart a title that concisely describes what it represents. Double-click on the existing chart title to type in your own. This is an often overlooked step, but a descriptive title is key to ensuring your audience understands the narrative your data is telling. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a pie chart in Power BI. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to efficiently visualize your data